Okay, greetings everyone. Alright, so this next video will be a continuation of the tree exercise we just talked about on the importance of training in nature. So I've already covered that when you're in nature, your mental body will expand to occupy the living mind of the natural environment that you're in. When you're an alpha tuning fork living in a concrete condo, your mind contracts to itself because itself is the alpha tuning fork of the environment. So you always want to be putting yourself in a place where the living energy around you is far greater and more powerful than you, so the mind is forced to expand. That's why we feel so good when we're in nature. When you're positioning yourself for living practice, whether it's in retreat or you're looking at the location of your next home, you definitely want to see more green than concrete. If you see more green than concrete, the mind will naturally adhere to the green and it will expand. This is just the nature of how we're built. If you look at historically, all the arahants and ascended masters, they attain in nature. They're in a natural environment where they have their highest attainments. They're not in temples. These types of temples are places where you have a foundation laid. It's not the place where you actually get your serious practice in. You receive your training here so that you can go out into nature and do your serious practice. And it's for this reason that nature pulls the mind open and makes the mind larger. And what you do with it then becomes the fruit and benefit of your practice that you learn in a temple environment like this. Okay, so if you have any questions about nature magic, there's obviously potential for hundreds and hundreds of videos on it, but the most important thing is to get out in nature, recognize this phenomena for yourself, and that you can see that when you're in a natural environment, any form of qigong, meditation, spiritual work is much, much easier. Okay, see you all next video.